Hello everybody, so I thought I would do a video to talk you through the phonics flip chart and how we teach our phonics lessons at school for if you are teaching them at home and there's not a video for it, as obviously there is one English and one maths video per day, so I will just talk you through the phonics. So today's sound is going to be the UE digraph, which makes the U sound. So this digraph actually makes two sounds, but today we are going to be focusing on the U sound that it makes. U, U, U. Can you make the U sound? And could you write the U digraph on your board or on your piece of paper? Fabulous. So apologies 1C if this is not quite how you do it. But in 1E, when we are reading our words, we like to do our robot arms for when we are sounding out the different sounds. So if we start with this one, we have got K, U, Q. Over to here, D, U, dew. V, A, L, U, value. S, T, A, T, U, statue. Down here, S, K, U, rescue. And last one, U, hue. Fabulous. And now we will read together the alien names and add the sound button starting with the pink. So we have got S, P, U, spew. Purple, D, U, doom. Orange, S, K, U. And the green, nescue. Sorry, didn't blend that one together. And the green, S, T, A, P, U, stap you. So I'm not sure if this is something you do, 1C, but something we like to do in 1E is to now draw our own alien and write an alien name for it, but it must have our new digraph in. So your alien name that you draw and write today must have our U digraph in, spelt with the UE letter shape. So you have got 2 minutes to draw an alien and write an alien name, and then we will come back together. So if you pause the video now and give yourself 2 minutes. Okay, well done. Can you sound out and blend your alien word together for the people or adult that you are with? Wonderful. Right, we are going to get ready then to write some. So the first word I would like you to write down is the word issue. And we are going to sound it out together first. So issue, I-S-U, issue. And when you blend it together, it kind of makes a sh sound, but there is not a sh sound in there. It is I-S-U, issue. Write that one down. I-S-U, issue. Okay, hopefully you have got that one written down and it looks like this one. Well done if you remembered that sometimes the sound has 2 S's instead of 1. So I-S-U. If you got issue, the next one is going to be super easy. So your next word is tissue. So just like issue, but with a T at the start. So we can sound it out together. I-S-U, tissue. Write that one down. So T-I-S-U, tissue. Just like issue, but with a T at the start. Perfect. Let's check then. So we've got I-S-U, tissue. Okay, the next word I would like you to write down is the word value. V-A-L-U, value. Off you go then, write that one down. V-A-L-U, value. Making sure we're using our cursive writing. Okay, let's check then. So we've got v, a, u, our U sound at the end of our word. And the last word I would like you to write is the word argue. So U, argue. There are two digraphs in that word, U, argue. Remember the R sound at the start, write that one down. Okay, and let's check that one. So we've got our R sound at the start, U, argue. Well done. If you got all of those written correctly on your board. It's always tricky when we learn a new sound. So our final bit of our phonics lesson, we always end with a sentence dictation. So when we do a sentence dictation, I say the sentence, then we say the sentence together, and then you write the sentence down on your whiteboard. So your sentence I would like you to write today has, let me have a think. Oh, we're going to go in with a big one. We're going to go in with 6 words in our sentence today. So as always, we're going to start with our capital letter. And your sentence is going to be, I am not going to argue. Huh, full stop. Now can we all say it together? So capital letter, I am not going to argue. Huh, full stop. Now can you write that sentence on your board? And remember, one of those words is going to have our U digraph in. So if you just if you just pause the video now and give yourself a chance to write it. Okay, hopefully you've got your sentence written down. So I want you to look at your sentence on your board and check, have you got a capital letter at the start and a full stop at the end? If you've got those two things, fantastic. Have you got finger spaces in between your words? If you have, fantastic. So I am not going to argue. And here is our U sound. I am not going to argue. So at this point, you can then decide if you would like to write another sentence or move straight on to your phonics activity. So that is just a run through of how we would usually teach phonics in school. So sometimes the flip charts will just be uploaded as PDFs, so documents for you to look at yourselves and teach to your children. So hopefully that has been helpful and you were able to follow that phonics lesson. See you soon.